the today's task is retell a lecture. We again going to summarize this retell a lecture. Why? Because we had left with our tips and tricks, but we didn't share our strategy to fix this lecture. Now in this lecture we are going to cover the time management, scoring, and in the last, template. Moving to the time management. What is time management in retell lecture? Retell lecture time management is you will get 100 seconds for overall one lecture. In between this you will get a 60-second recording, 90-second recording, where the speaker will describe you a lecture where you have to find the keywords, and 10 seconds for preparation. Okay, after that your 25 to 40-second recording time, which is not included in this. Why? Because this is your final round. Okay, so I am not including it in, because in this you don't have any time to prepare yourself or to fix yourself. You have to give your response 100% accurate, so it is not included in your time management. Okay, but the time management and recording time is also important, because so many students describe their lecture 40 second or nearby 40, or they cover up overall 40, but they didn't close their retell lecture in between the recording time. So it is important to fix your time management while recording. Now I am moving to the scoring criteria, and I am going to wrap it up in a very hurry, because I had already described these things in our previous lecture, and I have to share the template first in this video. Why? Because so many students are waiting for this hidden template. So what is I am going to describe or share. So the scoring criteria, sorry, there is some issue with my fonts. Scoring criteria: content, oral fluency, pronunciation. Content 5, oral fluency 5, pronunciation 5. Now what is the major thing in retell lecture? You have to fix both of them, and one will be required for 50% or 70%. Why? Because content doesn't matter, oral fluency matters a lot in your whole speaking. Okay, so content requires your keyword. How many keywords you are going to pick in this lecture? Okay, if you add as much as possible keywords in the lecture, then you are going to get 5, and below 40 will give you 2. Here I am going to cover up the real template of retell lecture, which is 3-line sentence. I think you are shocked by my tricks. I think my whole tricks are depended on only 3-line sentence. Don't be confused. And PTE academic, there are lots of templates available on internet media. So many teachers and trainers have tried different kind of templates. I had also tried this template in my testing time. So what is three-line sentence is, on the left there is an image given, bomb calorimeter, where I am getting some keywords, and the speaker is going to talk about this image and include, it will include, he will include, she will include these keywords in their recording. So sometimes we get keyword on the image, but sometimes we get only recordings. So there is something fruitful for you in between your image, but while you listen recording, only you will get a recording, then you have to struggle to find keywords. But there is no struggle, because our strategy is going to give you a very easy tips and tricks, very easy method, like picking the keyword fuse wires, stirrers, bomb cell sample, temperature meter, thermometer, ignition box. Means that these are the keywords, and if you add these keywords in your template, then you are going to get 90 in this image. So what is the template? The lecture was about keyword 1. Okay, the speaker was talking about keyword 2. In the last, keyword 3, you have to make sentence by your own knowledge. So in this last sentence you have a strategy. What is the strategy? Keep listen the recording and try to pick whole sentence from the recording, if you are able to pick the sentence. Okay, otherwise we have another strategy. If you are facing making a sentence issue, then you have to write simple sentence sample, like ignition box or thermometer, like thermometer. So here what the thermometer is doing, thermometer is connected to the temperature meter. Okay, this is the simple way to make a sentence. If you are having an image, or if you are getting a keyword, then you have to write this sentence by your own knowledge. Like you have got uh, Colorado River, so you have to make a sentence on Colorado River. The Colorado River is situated in US. The Colorado River situated in UK. Make anything else, but the first priority is your oral fluency only. Okay, now thank you guys watching this video. Subscribe us, like us. We will appreciate your efforts, and we will come back with our new videos with simple tricks and tips and tricks. I hope you will enjoy the video. Thanks a lot.